Building your own website can feel difficult at first, but with the right tools, anyone can do it, even if you have no coding experience. Wix is one of the most popular website builders for beginners because it makes the process simple and fast. You can choose from the hundred of template and you can adjust color, you can use font, layout, and add section like about, services, and contract. Now, the drag and drop system makes it very visual and easy to understand. In this video, I will show you how to build a website step by step using Wix, and I will explain in a way that's easy to follow. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you build websites, earn online, and grow your presence. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get these special offers and tools that make building your website faster and easier. By using the description links, discounts or bonuses, they will be applied automatically. So you get the best value without extra work. Now let's start by creating your Wix account. First, you have to go on the Wix official website by using the description link. Now click on this get started. Once you are here, you can go with the continue with Google or just write your email address here and click on this continue with email. Then you have to write your password and verify your email and you are good to go. Your account will be created. Since I have already my account, then I will click on this and simply I will be logged in. Here we are on the Wix dashboard. When you are trying to create your account, then Wix may ask you a few questions about your website type. For example, if you want a business site, portfolio, online store, blog, based on your answer, Wix will suggest some template and feature that fit your needs. So answer them carefully. And I think that will not make you in trouble because they are very simple. Now, once your account is ready, Wix gives you two options like Wix ADI, which is one of the artificial designs intelligence. The ADI is the simplest way to start. It asks you questions about your business or website purpose and then automatically creates a ready-made website that you can customize. This is very useful for beginners because you don't need to start from scratch. If you prefer more control, you can use the Wix editor. The editor lets you drag and drop the elements like text, images, buttons, and videos exactly where you want them. So we will use the template. Okay. Here, let's say I like this one. It will take me to the editor page. Now you can see at the left side the plus icon. This is the add element. If you click on this, you can see all of the element which you can add in your website. Second option is the section. You can add the section in your website like team section, about section, service section, whatever it is. Next thing is the site page and menu. Here you can edit and organize your menu here. Next is the sign up and login option. You can edit all of these things and you can choose is it a default or you can customize this. Then here you can change the theme to match your brand identity. You can change color, text theme, and you can change the site theme. Another thing which is very important for the Wix is the Wix app market. Here you can see there are a lot of app available which you can integrate with your Wix website. Hundreds of thousands of apps available in Wix marketplace. Next, here is the media. Here you can upload and manage all of your media files for your website. Okay, now let's start with how to add a new page in your website. So this is the template which we have selected from the template list. Now I will add a new page in my website. How to do that? Just look at the left corner here, page. Now click on this. You will see all of the pages. Now if I click on this manage page, then it will open this. Here you can see there is a option for the site menu. Now if I click on this add page, it will add a new page in the menu. Or if you want, then you can click on this add new page icon here. Here you will get a lot of option as a template. You can select for your page or theme you want for your new page. Let's say I want it like this. Then I will click on this add page. Next step is giving the name for your page. Let's say I want to give it, then done. Now if you want, then you can change the position or organize the pages here. Let's say I want to add this under service, so I will just place it here. You can see sub menu here. If I show you, let's save the changes and let's preview this. Now if I click on this or hover on this service, you can see the media is a sub menu under this our services. Now if you want, then you can change this position, color, and change the style as you want. Let's go to the editor. Now replace the template text with your own word, right? So if I click on this, it will be highlighted. Now if I double click on this, I can change the text here. So let's change the text. Now after selecting this, if I click on this edit text, then I can change all of the thing. I can change the size, I can change the font, I can change the text style. And if you explore all of the feature, you can see there are a lot of style available. Now close this. Next thing is replacing the template logo in your logo, right? Now click on this. You can see there is a option quick edit. Just click on this. At your right side, you can see there is a logo option. Now click on this change. Now click on this upload media and just drag and drop or upload your logo here. The logo will be replaced here. So I'm not going to do that because I don't have any logo right now. If you want to give a name for your logo, then you can do that. The rise is written, you can change that. Or if you don't want, then you can turn this off. Next thing is uploading your photos or videos to make your website look professional. So how you can change or replace these images? If I click on this, it will be highlighted. And if I click on this change image, then you can just simply upload your image and it will be replaced. Or if you want to edit this existing image, you can do that. Click on this edit image and it will be open in an editor. You can adjust the image, the size, you can crop this, and you can see all of the options available. Wix also lets you add buttons and links so visitors can easily contact you or buy product if you have an online store. So if I go to the top of the website, you can see there is a button. Now if I click on this, it will be selected. You can see the button is highlighted. Now simply click on the setting. Now here I can change the text of the button and I can set a link for this button here. Just click on this choose a link and you can redirect the visitors any of the page where you want. So let's say I will select for the about us and click done, and that's it. So that was the customization for the text and link. Now how you can change the color and style. So if I click on this icon design, and you can see there are a lot of template available. So which you like, you can set that, and after that you can customize the design. You can change color, you can add a border, and let's change the color. I don't like this one, and that's it. So I will suggest you to keep your design simple and clear so users can find information quickly. Wix also has an app market, which we talked earlier. It lets you add extra feature to your site. For example, you can add a contact form, you can add a live chat, booking system, newsletter sign up, or even social media feeds. Many of these apps are free and they can help your website become more interactive and more functional. So after changing all of the text and set the website as your brand, next thing is the publishing, right? But before publishing, make sure your website is look good on mobile also. For that, just click on this mobile icon here. Basically, Wix automatically creates a mobile-friendly version, but you can adjust it in the mobile view editor to ensure the text, images, and buttons display properly. Mobile optimization is very important because most of the visitors use their phones to browse websites. Let's say for mobile, I think this text is too big, so I will, and same thing for this one. I think now it's better. So let's back to the desktop editor and just click on save. Basically Wix save your changes automatically. And now finally click on this publish to make your website live. Wix gives you a free domain with Wix branding, or you can connect your own custom domain if you have one. Now if I click on this view site, so this is our site. So this is the media page which we edited. Now after publishing, you can still edit and add new pages or update content anytime. So your website grows with your business. So in summary, building a website with Wix is beginner friendly and straightforward. Start with creating an account, choosing between ADI or editor, customize the template, add pages and content. You can use the apps for extra feature. And after that, you just need to check the mobile optimization. And after that, just publish your site. With these steps, anyone can have a professional looking website without knowing coding. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this step-by-step Wix tutorial helped you to understand how to build your first website easily. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. And don't forget to use the link from description for special offers and tools. Any discounts that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video where we will explore more beginner-friendly ways to grow your online business.